Pride Mobility is excited to introduce the Jazzy Passport. The Jazzy Passport is a folding power chair that is lightweight, versatile, and easy to manage for travel or a secondary transport chair. When the Jazzy Passport arrives, it will be packed all in one box. In the box, you will find the owner's packet, Jazzy Passport, seat cushion, lithium-ion battery pack, lithium battery charger, new VSI joystick, and cup holder. When assembling the Jazzy Passport, lay it down and cut the zip ties on both sides of the unit that prevent the unit from unfolding in shipment. Open the foot platform and remove the box containing the new VSI joystick with standard swing-away mount. Once opened, the joystick can be attached to either armrest depending upon the person's personal preference. Please note, the clips that route the cable are attached to the right armrest and would need to be removed and attached to the left armrest in order to mount the joystick on that side. Once the joystick is attached, secure the harness in the clips to keep it from being pinched or snagged. Then press the spring-loaded release on the back side of the unit under the backrest to unfold. Open the mesh storage under the seat to remove the cup holder and attach to the armrest without the joystick. Before attaching the seat cushion, remove the felt from the underside hook and loop and attach to the seat base. Notice that both the seat cushion and the seat back are removable for service and cleaning. Next, attach the lithium-ion battery pack by pulling up on the locking pin and sliding the battery pack into its holder located underneath the seat. The battery pack itself weighs 5.5 pounds, making it easy to handle. Notice the lithium battery pack has a separate charging port to give it the ability to charge while off the unit. Also, the battery pack has an on-off switch that when turned off will keep the battery from discharging as quickly. Please note that the lithium battery pack uses a 2-amp lithium battery charger, which is only for lithium batteries. Once the battery pack is attached, power up the unit. There are 2 freewheel release levers, one on each side, highlighted with yellow levers. Make sure the motors are in the locked position before you test drive the unit. With its responsive handling and lighter weight, the Jazzy Passport will make a great option for traveling or transporting. Please refer to your owner's manual for safe operating and assembly instructions. Thank you for choosing Pride Mobility for all your mobility needs.